it's Gina with WTI. If you're looking for a great tasting toothpaste that's really going to freshen your breath and help your teeth feel smooth and clean, I recommend checking out this On Guard toothpaste from doTERRA. My husband and I have been using this toothpaste on a daily basis for several years. We really appreciate that it's fluoride free and that it has really high quality essential oils in it, like clove and myrrh and orange, peppermint, and we really like the way that it tastes. So it is on the spicier side. We just use a pea-sized amount or less, and that's plenty to brush your teeth with. It just makes your mouth feel so fresh with the clove and peppermint and cinnamon forward flavors. And this also has hydrated silica in it to help to polish and whiten your teeth. And we really just love using this on a daily basis, but that's just our point of view.